Yo, what's going on, everybody? Cooper the Reseller coming at you from Omaha, Nebraska. And in this video, I want to show you how to run a sale on Depop. Now, I tried to figure out how to do this on a web browser and I could not figure it out. Most people on Depop are using it through the app, so I'm going to show you how to run a sale through the app. But if you know how to run it on a web browser, put it in the comment section below for everyone else to see. But let's go ahead and show you how to do it on the app because it's kind of hard to find it unless you know where it's at. So as you can see here, I'm just on the home page on Depop, and I'm going to go down to my profile page down here. And then at here, we're going to go ahead and hit this little gear cog icon at the top right corner. And then we are going to come down here to promotions, and it's actually called discounts. So we're going to go ahead and hit that. And this is where you can run your sales. Right here you can see discount and you can set the percentage. So I'm going to go ahead, I have one running right now, but I'm going to hit this edit right here. And then you can set a discount anywhere from 5 to 50%. So that's really cool. Depop recommends discounting prices by 15 to 30% to get items moving. Right now I have it set at 15%, and then you're going to go ahead and click right here. And the one thing I don't like about this is that you can, as far as I can tell, you can only run one discount at a time. I wish you could run more than one with multiple percentages at a time. That's what I do on eBay. I have different tiers. That's 5% off, 10% off, 15% off, 20% off. That'd be really cool if Depop added more than one discount at a time. And the other thing is you can only do 400 items. So that kind of is no fun if you have a ton of items. But if you don't have a ton of items, it's not a big deal. So you go ahead and click that. And then you can just go through and just pick them one at a time, what items you want to put on sale. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and deselect those because it won't let me do more than 400. An important note below here, only items that were listed 10 days ago or more can be selected. If you hit Y, it will tell you because they want to make sure as many of your items as possible sell at their original price. So Depop knows that items don't sell as soon as you post them. You have to let them sit around for a while. That's just the nature of the reselling game. And they don't want you to discount your items too quickly because then you'll be losing profits. Depop will be losing some fees. So they do this just in your best interest. The listed date is the date when the item was first listed. Editing your item does not change this date, so that's good to know. All right, and then you hit the check mark at the top, hit save at the bottom. You did it. Nice work. You just applied a discount to your shop. All buyers will now get 15% off items in this sale. Super cool. And then if you want to end your promotion, you just hit it right there. You can't edit a promotion once it's started. Tap end promotion to create a new one. Bada bing, bada boom. And then you also can do bundle shipping, which I guess we can cover real quick as well. Unfortunately, I run free shipping on everything, at least right now, so it doesn't really apply for what I do. But you could do free shipping US only, which I don't know why that's not checked for me. I guess I'll have to go through and check that. Or you can do highest price shipping or highest shipping price or no shipping discount. And what highest shipping price means, if your buyer is buying, let's say 3 items and they all have different shipping costs, it's just going to charge them the highest shipping cost out of those 3 items and get rid of the other 2 items shipping cost. So if you have one item that has $10 shipping, 2 items that have $5 a piece shipping costs, it's just going to erase those bottom 2 and charge them $10 for shipping all 3 items. Here's some examples down there. Buyer pays $5 shipping. Yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. Just wanted to throw that in there as well. If you have any questions or if you got any value in this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more reselling related content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.